All right, so we'll do an unboxing on some batteries. So I ordered some the prismatic LTO cells from SRIKO.com. There's 36 of the 20 amp hour cells, and so that'll be a 120 amp hour bank. They came in rather quickly. I can't remember exactly what date it was. I think it was Monday. Today's Saturday, so I mean it was within a week when they came, from the time I ordered it till the time it got here. So let's just go ahead and open it. So let's just turn it over here so you can see. Look how well this is packaged. That's about a 1/2 inch thick piece of foam there, give or take. And okay, wow, look, big old block of foam. I like that. Let's see if you're in the camera, in the view. Yeah, you're in the view. So let's move this piece of foam out of the way here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's 18 right there. There should be 18 more on this side. So if you notice, so this right here was butted up against here. So they have plenty of foam in between the cells. And then on the bottom, look, we've got another about 1 inch thick of foam in between the cells and the bottom of the cardboard box. Let's get rid of the box. And again, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 18 plus 18. That's 36 cells. And it looks like the foam is glued together. Looks like it's 2 pieces of foam that might be melted together or glued together. But anyway, that's huge blocks of foam. I've ordered from SRIKO.com a few different times. Always good packaging. Really good packaging. And look at that. Beautiful cells. Beautiful cells. And these are the 6mm studs. The 6mm studs. So let's get a voltmeter out. Well, got all kinds of stuff out here. Let's get a voltmeter out. We got it on DC. And let's make sure that you're in the screen. Yep, looks like you're in the screen. So let's just test a cell or two. Let's turn it around here. Here's the negative, which is the negative is white, the positive is red, and you'll see it here on the screen. 2.56 volts. Okay. .56 volts. Okay, good deal. .56 volts. .56 volts. Let's just get a few from this other box, this other wrapping. And of course, I'm going to check every single cell, but not on this video. 2.56 volts. 2.56 volts. 2.56 volts. Let's do one more and then I'm done. I'm done for the video. 2.55 volts. All right, so I mean, you know, that's a 10 millivolt difference. That's no big deal. We'll top balance them, top charge them, top balance them, make sure that they're all right there within each other. And I'll use a different meter that goes to the millivolt. But yeah, always pleased with the packaging and the quality of the sales from SRIKO.com. So, you know, order from them with confidence. Have not had any issues with an order or with shipping or with sales or anything from SRIKO.com. 2 thumbs up. You know, good job and thank you. And that's all for this one.